Now, why choose Source Coffee? Well, for us at Source Coffee, it's not just about supplying ethically sourced coffee beans. A much wider proposition is essential. This partnership extends across coffee equipment, consultation, supply and services, and ongoing barista training. We start by listening and put together a bespoke package of support to suit your business. We can design and generate anything from artisan street signs to menu boards. We can also support with discounts on loyalty cards, as well as new product development and promotional ideas in order to tempt customers away from the national high street chains. Now, it is critical to keep ahead of the competition in terms of fresh ideas, and we can guide and support your business with the latest insights into seasonal products, recipe ideas, and price comparisons. We have an extensive range of quality coffee blends to meet all tastes and all budgets. We have a sourced and unique, outstanding range of blends and single origin products to provide our customers with a truly special coffee experience. At the heart of our exceptional blend range is a strong belief in ethical and sustainable sourced products. With fair trade accreditation, organic seals, and the Rainforest Alliance certification behind us, we are committed to delivering a sustainable business. We also have full traceability from where our beans have been sourced, and we always pay our farmers with the prices and respect that they deserve. And furthermore, all of our exceptional blends of coffee are packed in recyclable packaging. We offer a range of barista and staff training for new or existing staff. Delivery of great training bundles is really important to us in ensuring that you can consistently serve great coffee. As a customer, you can also easily access our guides to ongoing care and maintenance of your coffee machine. We also have videos on this YouTube channel that might be of use to you in doing that, so check those out as well. They are linked down below for you. It's vitally important as well to keep up to date with cleaning regimes on your coffee machine in order to ensure consistent quality of your coffee and of your other drinks as well. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Source Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below, which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. Everything you need is there, so click on that one down below. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.